Sets is a feature in Revu that provides a method to navigate a large collection of individual PDFs as if they were a single document. In Revu 12, we release Sets 2.0 to introduce a number of new, powerful enhancements to this feature. In case you're not familiar with Sets, it gives you the best of both worlds, allowing you the flexibility to keep your files light and lean for the field, while simultaneously being able to view and navigate an entire set of plans as if they are a single combined set. In Sets, you can set up filters for when you want to get revisions and addendums updated in your set. Revu will automatically keep track and display the most up-to-date revised file. To learn more about how to create a set and configure these filters, you can watch the video called Sets on our website. The first two enhancements in Sets 2.0 make the navigating and viewing of the set more user-friendly. I'm going to open up my tab access and get into my Sets tab. And here I have a set already open. So you'll notice I can see the thumbnails of the individual sheets here. And I have my file name in the upper left-hand corner and my page label down here at the bottom. This is one with revisions, and I can see the most recent is here on top. And then I can click on this arrow to scroll through previous revisions of this sheet, and you'll notice they're crossed out to show that they're old. And then I can click back over to the latest revision, which is stacked on top. I set all of that up in my filters. Being able to view all of the sheets in the Thumbnails tab is great. Now in Sets 2.0, we have another option that's especially useful if you're dealing with a very large set, and that's called List Mode. So up here, you can click on this toggle button that says Show Hide Thumbnails. When you click on that, it's going to switch from thumbnail mode to list mode. This is going to allow me to see more of my set on the screen if I don't actually need to see those thumbnails. And you'll notice we also have those pages that have revisions, and again, I can click on the arrow and the previous revisions will still be crossed out and they'll be stacked together, just like the thumbnails mode. The next new feature in Sets 2.0 is you can now utilize all of the navigation buttons located down here at the bottom that you're used to using in Revu, including the Next Page button and the Previous Page. You can also make use of the Previous View button down here. So this will take you to exactly where you had the mouse clicked. So if you were zoomed in or zoomed out, and it will also take you through previous pages that you clicked on. So you have the Next View, Previous View supported as well when navigating sets. A third new feature of Sets 2.0 is that it's now fully compatible with Studio projects, making it even easier for you to share your set with the entire project team. For those of you not aware, Projects is a part of Studio and is a free feature in Revu that acts as a lightweight document management system, allowing you to store an unlimited number of files and file types. I'm going to go ahead and close this set that I was working on, and I'm going to open up my Studio tab over here. I'm now inside my Studio project where I've uploaded all my individual sheets as well as that Valley College set that I just created. You'll notice when I click to download the set, Revu is automatically going to open up each individual sheet that is contained within that set. Now all of these sheets open up in read-only mode. You'll notice the lock icon. If I need to make any changes or edits, I can't because my markup tools are grayed out. So you're just want to go and check out any individual files that you need to edit. Now you'll see there's a check mark there, and my markup tools are now available to me to make edits to this document. If I'm a project engineer, I might want to build a new set directly from the sheets that are stored in a Studio project. If you do need to build a set from files stored in projects, one tip, you're going to want to go over to your Settings, Preferences, and make sure under the Studio tab in your Preferences that where it says Toolbar Integration Only, this should be unchecked. This will allow you to access your project files directly from the dialog box that opens when you create a new set. Now on to the final new feature in Sets 2.0. You will remember in Sets we have a revision filter that once set up will always show the latest revised sheet in a set. In Sets 2.0, any hyperlink within a set will automatically redirect to the latest file revision. So I have this A201 page open here, and I'm going to zoom in. I have a hyperlink that was set up for A300. And this file actually has a revision. So the latest revision is A300 Rev 3. But when I click on this hyperlink, it's automatically going to take me to that latest revision of that file. Now, just to clarify, the hyperlinks are redirected to the latest version of the sheet in the set. The links themselves are not actually rewritten. To rewrite the links, you'll run a run batch link, which completely supports sets. That's about it. 4 new feature enhancements in Sets 2.0 that we hope will make the lives of our project engineers and project managers a little bit easier. Let us know how you like it. Thanks a bunch.